What's going on with y'all out there in the world? It's your boy JVL, your favorite tutor. I'm about to show you guys a little bit more on lesson 3 on rational expressions. So today, as you can see, right here we have 6c over 5d times 15cd squared over 8a. Now, this was a little bit easier than normal. Okay, it's not like your other ones where we had to divide and we had to kind of flip some things around. There are some rules we need to apply. Okay, there are 4 rules in order for us to work out this problem. Here's rule number 1. When you multiply, you add exponents. All right, a to the m times a to the n. Excuse me. The a is called your base. The n and the m are called your exponents. Alright? So, with that being said, when you multiply, the result is a to the m plus n. Which means you need to add these 2 exponents together, alright, for your result right here. A to the n plus n. The second rule, when you divide, you subtract. So it becomes a to the m minus n. Third rule, a to the m in parentheses to the n, you multiply them together, so a to the m times n. And lastly, a to the negative m means it's 1 over the base to the positive exponent. Now, the way that I like to kind of do this is, think about a child you have, right? Little Johnny's upstairs and he's acting up. So you want to call him downstairs. You're like, Johnny, get down here, right? So he's in trouble. All right, so what happens is, in this problem, the negative exponent, Johnny's upstairs being negative, right? So he needs to become positive. So that means he needs to come downstairs, have a talk with you as his parent, and then he says, oh, you know what? My bad, let me get my act together. He becomes positive, and that's how it works. So the negative exponent goes downstairs, okay, here, and becomes positive. So it's 1 over a to the m. All right, so now, let's knock out this problem and apply our rules. You ready? All right, let's go. So here, is there anything common with the a? Nothing common, right? We'll leave the a there. So now, excuse me, the second thing is, we want to take our d's. We got a d squared up here and a d right here. So I'm going to cancel out my d's and put a d up top because I had a d squared and a d on the bottom. That's basically d squared over d to the 1. And when I divide, I do what? Subtract. Right. So now, my d's are squared away. I leave d on top. I don't have anything to do with the a besides leave it downstairs. So now I simplify. 6 times, or actually one more thing. 5 goes into 15 3 times. So 3 on top, 1 on the bottom. I multiply my numbers. 18 c squared d is left over 8a. Okay, now, am I actually totally done yet with this problem? Ask yourself, am I done? No, we're not done yet, right? What we need to do is reduce to lowest terms. Excuse me, 18 over 8 can be reduced by 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's it, folks. My final answer is 9c squared d over 4a. Checkmate. We're done. That is one of the easiest problems for this particular portion in simplifying expressions, rational expressions this way. I'm going to do another example in a minute. All right? It's your boy JVL, CEO of INC.